The Speedy Fast Ski Resort has started to keep track of the number of skiers and snowboarders who bought season passes. The ratio of the number of skiers who bought season passes to the number of snowboarders who bought season passes is 1 to 2. If 1,250 more snowboarders bought season passes, so since this box is the extra, that's 1,250. How many snowboarders and how many skiers bought season passes? So each box needs 1,250 in it. So for skiers, we have 1,250 bought season passes. And for this one, we need to combine them. For 2,500 people bought season passes. So skiers, there was 1,250. Snowboarders, there's 2,500 people. The ratio of the number of adults to the number of students at prom has to be 1 to 10. Last year, there were 477 more students than adults. There are 9 more boxes, and 477 more students need to fill those boxes. If the school is expecting the same attendance this year, how many adults have to attend the prom? So, 477 gets split into 9 boxes. 9 doesn't go into 4, but it does go into 47, and it goes in 5 times with 2 left over. 9 goes into 27 3 times, so each box gets 53 people. And to keep our ratios the same, 53 also needs to go in the adult box. So when it says, how many adults have to attend prom? 53 adults need to attend prom.